Hello, everyone, and welcome again to the True Plan of Living. Today, we will be preparing baked tofu. I will be using high protein organic tofu super firm from Trader Joe's. There are different ways that you can prepare your tofu. You can cut them in cubes, as you can see based on the demonstration. And this is very good if you want to make like a stew, if you want to make curry tofu, if you want to make bite-sized tofu. This is a good way that you can cook the tofu. The other way that you can cut the tofu is you can cut it whether it's rectangular or triangular. For this video, I'm going to be demonstrating how to cut it triangular. So the first thing you're going to do is that you're going to cut the tofu diagonally. And as you can see, there you can cut it to make it rectangular. But I'm going to turn it over and I'm going to cut it to make triangles. And usually a pack of tofu can give you approximately, depending on the thickness of it, 10 triangular pieces. I'm going to do the same for the other piece of tofu. Cut it in triangular pieces. All right, now that our tofu has been cut up, we're going to place the ingredients for the marinade on the tofu. So we're going to have 1 teaspoon salt, 2 tablespoon Bragg's liquid amino, and 1 teaspoon black strap molasses. All right, we're going to place our tofu pieces in a dish. We're going to put all our ingredients, mix them together. We're just going to mix until the salt has been dissolved as much as is possible. Then once that is done, you are going to pour the mixture over the tofu. Then you are going to make sure that the mixture is evenly distributed on all the tofu slices. All right, once the mixture has been evenly distributed on the tofu, you're going to place them. You can place them in a Ziploc bag or whatever your preference is. I just want to marinate them overnight, so I'm going to place them in a Ziploc bag. You can have them marinate even in the same dish, cover it for 15 to 30 minutes if you're going to cook it immediately. But since I'm not going to prepare it, I'm going to place it in a Ziploc bag overnight. So once you place it in the Ziploc bag, we are going to place it in the refrigerator overnight. Alright, so after having our tofu marinade overnight, we are now going to bake the tofu. And here are the steps. You're going to place the tofu triangles on a prepared baking tray. Bake in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes on each side. Wow, and there you have it, the baked tofu. Looking so delicious. And thanks again for joining us on the True Plan of Living. Please remember to subscribe to our channel, hit that notification bell, and share our video. Once again, this is the True Plan of Living. Thanks again for joining us on the True Plan of Living. See you next time.